The internet has a way of dangling a massive carrot right in front of your nose. And lately, that carrot is a $750 gift card to a famous big box retailer. You see the ad while scrolling through your feed. It looks so easy. Just a few steps, just a quick survey. But once you land on a site like Bluevestrewards, the goalposts start moving immediately. This is not a simple giveaway. It is a high-stakes obstacle course designed to make you quit before you ever see a dime. They use the name of a massive shopping chain to make you feel safe. It is a classic psychological trick. You trust the brand, so you trust the offer. But the fine print tells a different story. The retailer is not involved. They are not sponsoring this. They are not sending out the cards. It is a third-party marketing funnel, and it is deep. You start with level 1. Maybe you answer a few questions about your shopping habits. Easy enough. But then, you hit level 2 and level 3. Suddenly, you are being asked to download mobile games. You are being told to sign up for streaming services you do not want. You are entering a world of free trials that require your credit card information. This is where the trap tightens. If you forget to cancel those trials, you are losing money. The site might require you to complete 20 different deals to qualify. Some of those deals are not free. They are paid subscriptions or required purchases. You could end up spending a significant amount of your own cash just to reach the final tier. It is the definition of the sunk cost fallacy. You have already done 10 tasks, so you feel like you have to do 10 more. You do not want to walk away empty-handed after giving them your time. And then there is the data. They want your email. They want your phone number. They might even want a photo of your identity documents to verify who you are. Think about that. You are giving away your most sensitive personal information to a middleman you just met. They are harvesting your data to sell to advertisers. That is how they make their real profit. Even if you are one of the very few who finish, the effort is monumental. The site itself even notes that most people never make it. It is a grind. It is a marathon through a digital minefield of subscriptions and pop-ups. They even tempt you with an extra bonus for a product review. It is a never-ending cycle of engagement. They want you stuck in their ecosystem for as long as possible. Before you click that shiny button, stop and think. Is your privacy worth a potential gift card? Is your time worth a multi-day quest of signing up for things you do not need? The house is betting that you will give up halfway through. They win when you fail. They get your data. They get the referral fee from the sponsors. And you get a cluttered inbox and a lighter wallet. Be careful out there. If a stranger on the street offered you hundreds of dollars to sign up for 20 different clubs, you would walk away. The internet should be no different. Stay sharp. Protect your information. And always read the fine print. Before you start jumping through hoops for a reward that might never arrive, your digital footprint is worth far more than a voucher. Do not let the promise of a shopping spree blind you to the reality of the digital trade you are making. Success is rare, and the cost of trying is often higher than the prize itself. Stay skeptical, and stay safe.